Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while installing any game you got an error occurred while decompressing. Archive header is corrupted with error code 40. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, you need to read open the tool that you use to download the game. For example, if I have used QBitTorrent, I'll open it, and then whatever the game is giving me the error, right click on that particular game and choose the option force recheck, so that if any files are missing, it will be re-downloaded. Once force recheck is completed, you need to open up Windows Security. In Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and under Virus Threat Protection settings, click on Manage Settings and turn off Real-Time Protection. After doing these two steps, you need to open the game directory where it is downloaded. For example, if I have a game in G drive and the game name is RDR2, open it, and here you will find verify bin before installation. Once you verified or once you recheck using the tool, you need to double click to run this particular verify bin before installation, so that all the files must be available right into your system. After doing these three changes, go ahead and try to install, and hopefully the issue will be fixed. If this failed to work out, in next step you need to open your settings menu. From the left pane, click on the option system, and from here you will find the option of power and battery. Click on it. Now in power and battery, under the power mode, from a drop down list, make sure you must choose either the best power efficiency or choose the balance. I recommend to go ahead and choose the balance. After choosing the balance, close it. Now you need to open up your web browser and write in the search box, you need to type in GitHub repack for latest Microsoft Visual C++ and then hit the enter key. You will find a first link with the name abodi14406. Click on this particular link. From here, click on the option latest to download the latest files of the Microsoft Visual C++. Download its zip folder, save it into a PC. Now once it is downloaded, open the zip folder, and here is the exe file. You need to first extract it and then install it, so that it will install all the Microsoft Visual C++ packages into your system, and in turn completely fix out your issue. Although if this also failed, in next step I'll go ahead and first of all open the game. If the game is GTA 5, I'll go ahead and first of all launch it. Now first of all, you need to check mark this particular option, which is limit installer to 2 GB of RAM usage. After doing so, right click on taskbar and choose the option task manager. Now from the left pane, click on the option details. Now in the search box, type in setup. You will find two files. Right click and choose the option set affinity. From here, uncheck all processes, and you need to check mark only half the number of CPUs available. For example, I have 11 CPUs available right over here, so I'll check mark till 6. Now hit the OK button. Do the same with second file also. Right click, set affinity, uncheck all, then I'll check mark till 6 CPUs. Now hit the OK button. Now close the task manager. Now proceed with next button to install the game, and hopefully this will completely fix out the issue of an error occurred while decompressing with error code 40. So that's all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.